Yeah. Uh, Hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so I am audible. Okay. Let us start again with regression. So we have discussed correlation. Let us. Yes. Yeah. Yes. I am sharing my screen. 13. Yes. Yeah. So hope you can see my slides. Yeah. Students, you can see my
Yes,
slides,
sir.
no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Very nice. So let us start with regression equation. Regression analysis or regression equation. Yeah. So slope of the regression line. All of you, why this is happening? Slope of the regression line is given by this formula. B is equal to. So all of you, please write down this formula. As you know, okay, let me just explain you. Y hat. If you see, the regression line is y hat is equal to a plus b into x, right? Now if you see this equation, there are two variables and there are two constants. Are you getting me? These are the two variables. These are the two variables, y hat and x. Y hat and x are the variables. A and B are what? Are constants. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So if you see this equation, so variable is variable. We need not calculate them, right? Variable we calculate after getting the equation. Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to, you know, uh, write the regression equation. So to get this equation, you can see there are two constant, there are two variables. So if we can understand what is this constant b and what is this constant a, we will get an equation like this. Suppose just like this, y hat is equal to, suppose 5.1 plus 3.2 into x. So this equation is a regression equation where my A is 5.1 and my B is 3.2. What my point? So our only job is to calculate A and calculate B. Y hat and X are variable, so we need not calculate. So I am giving you the two formulas. One is how to calculate A and how to calculate B. So B is this. B is given by the formula. So please write down, all of you, write down the formula. B is equal to R multiplied by Sy by Sx. Okay. So R already you know what is R. R is coefficient of correlation. Sy, what is Sy? Already you know, standard deviation of the Y or the standard deviation of dV, and Sx is the standard deviation of the x, IDV, right? Is it clear? B very simple. We can calculate B.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Ah. So please write down this. Also write down. We'll do a problem just now. So B is equal to R into Sy by Sx. So B is equal to R into Sy by Sx, where R is my correlation coefficient, Sy is the standard deviation of Y, and Sx is the standard deviation of X. And A, where from we'll get A? Please note, I am using three types of Y. Again, I am repeating Y, Y hat, Y bar. Who will tell me the difference of these three? Yes, someone. What is the difference between these three y's? Is there any difference?
Sir, y is the variable
Okay.
and y bar is the mean of the y variables
Very good. Very good.
and y hat is means what's predicted value.
Predicted y. Predicted y. Okay.
Predicted.
Very good. See what is. I will come to what is. See, prediction means this. See what in XY diagram scatter plot, we are plotting the points like this. I have a actually slide. Let me show you what we are doing in scatter. I have shown you, I think, no, scatter plot. Yes, all of you pay your attention. The data, if you plot this way, can we plot this data? I have shown you the data, no? 10 points, 10 salesperson, right?
Yes, sir.
See this data. First salesperson 20 calls. How many sales? 30 sales. Let us plot this point. This, which one is this point? Can anybody tell me? This point. 20 calls, 30 cells. This point, right? In this way, we can plot all the points. Now, what we do, we try to draw our straight line. We try to draw a straight line. This is called the predicted line. This is my regression line, regression equation. The equation that I was writing of this straight line. Okay. So there is a method of there is a method by which we do this least square principle, least method of least square principle. So I will come to that. Although that is enough. If you don't know, also no problem. But this is the predicted y. You must know what is this equation. We are writing this line is the equation what we are trying to derive. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me show you the. Let us understand the. Let us understand now. So B we got, A we got, right? What is A? A is equal to y bar minus B into X bar. B already we have calculated, na B. So y bar we can calculate minus B into X bar, where y bar is the mean of dV and X bar is the mean of IDV. Clear? Yes, students. Is regression equation clear?
Yes, sir.
So let us draw. So what is regression? What is regression? Yes, least square principle. It is called least square. I will explain this in very shortly. I will explain this least square principle. So what is regression analysis? Regression analysis. We use the IDV to estimate the DV. Simple, very simple. We use the IDV to estimate the DV. Right? We use expenditure, advertisement expenditure to calculate the DV. Number one, the relationship between the variables is linear. This is our assumptions. Okay, regression analysis. Both variables must be at least interval scale. Are you getting this, students? Must be at least interval scale, not nominal or ordinal. In nominal or ordinal, we cannot write a regression equation. Sometimes students in SIP, simply they will come with nominal and ordinal data and they will tell sir regression लगा दो. नहीं बनता है regression ना. It does not. We cannot have regression on nominal and ordinal data, right? We must have the data in interval scale, interval or ratio scale. At least means. Hope you remember the sequence. Lowest scale is which one? Nominal, then ordinal, then interval, then ratio. So इसमें नहीं होता है regression. इन दोनों में regression होता है I and R, interval and ratio scale. Always remember this. Okay. So both variables must be at least interval scale. The least square criteria is used to determine. Yes, this is, although this is, if you don't understand it is fine, but I will explain a little bit. You must know what is least square criteria. Any idea? Anybody knows what is a least square criteria? Yes, students, what is least square criteria? Least square principle. Have you heard of this? No?
No, sir.
Okay, I will discuss this. Okay. So regression equation is an equation that expresses the linear relationship between this we already know. Okay. So what is, let me explain this least square principle. Let me explain this. So for this we have to go back to our, we have to go back to our yes. See, what does least square principle says? Least square principle says, see, suppose somebody is asking, anybody writing in the chat server? Yes, yes, Abhishek is correct. Used to measure the accuracy of straight line. Yeah. Yes. See, what we do in least square, suppose I ask, let me rub this. Suppose I plot my point. I have plotted my points. I have plotted my points. Now, these are my points. I understand what? One thing I understand, that my variables are positively correlated, and a little bit it is the correlation coefficient is high, and we have seen that we calculated. Okay. So how do we understand that it is strongly correlated? The points will be nearer to the straight line. Then it is called a stronger correlation. If it is widely dispersed, then it is called low correlation, right? Now see, if I ask 3 students to draw straight lines between these points, 3 students may draw 3 lines. One will draw like this, another may draw like this, another may draw like this. Now, which one is my regression line? How to understand? So, there is a principle which is called least square principle. Regression line एक ही होंगे, right? So, how do I know which one is my regression line? Okay, this is my question. कौन सा मेरा regression line है? कैसे पता चलेगा? Now, there is a principle called least square principle. What does the least square principle says? It says we have to see. So now I am writing only one, the ideal regression line. Okay. कौन सा ideal होगा? Now, the regression line will be that line in which the square of the distance, listen carefully, it's a bit not very tough, but a bit, where the square of this distance, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Square of this distance, what distance? Between the actual y. See, are you getting? This is actual y. These points are what? Actual y. मैंने actually plot किया ना? Actual y.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Actual y. But what is this line? This point? See carefully in my slide. This is what? Predicted y. ये तो मैंने predict किया ना line से. So this is my predicted y. So what does least square principle says? The difference between the two is this distance, right? This distance. For this, it is this distance. For this one, it is this distance. For this one, it is this distance. So this distance square, if we take the distance and square it up and sum it up, for all the points. This should be minimum for the regression line. I again repeat, regression line is that line for which these distances, which distances? Uh, this distance, this one. That means this difference between actual y and predicted y. If we square it up and sum it up for all the 10 points, 10 point hai hamare paas. So, and if we sum it up, this sum will be minimum. This is called the regression line. Now you come to the definition of, definition of least square principle. Please read these two lines carefully. Where are we? Yes. Now you read these two lines. What is least square principle? It is the principle determining a regression equation. Please listen carefully. By minimizing, can you see, minimizing the sum of the squares of the vertical distances, the distances I was showing you, between whom? The actual y and the predicted y. Is it clear? Is it clear? Least square principle.
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
समझ में आया है ना? थोड़ा आया है या पूरा आया है? अभिषेक?
सर आ गया सर पूरा.
Sir, some
पूरा आ
of
गया.
the squares के mention किया गया है. Like I get the vertical distance,
हाँ.
but
So-
some of the squares.
हाँ. So some of the vertical distance you understand. Very good. So vertical distance means this. Are you getting? अभी जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था ना, actual y और predicted y का जो distance है, उसका हम square. This is a principle. This principle says that this square and summation of this square for all the 10 points, this sum must be lowest for the regression line. That is the least square principle. Okay. Hope you are getting na. This is a principle. This is a
सर
principle.
मतलब सारे जितने y वैल्यूज का जो स्क्वायर है उसको x प्रेडिक्टेड y से कम होना चाहिए.
No. जो distance है ना, सब distance might be c. It may be negative, it may be positive. But first of all, we are not taking the sign. We are simply taking the distance.
Yes, sir.
Okay, between y, actual y, and predicted y. And we are squaring it up, and summing it up for all the 10 points. मेरे पास 10 point
Yes,
था
sir.
ना. So summing, and that sum is the least for the line. Suppose 3 student, Saman, कौन, Saman, Abhishek and Rishabh, तीनों ने तीनों line के draw किया है. Okay, try to understand. Is Saman line, this is Abhishek line. Okay, just for example, and this is the line by, say, whom? Rishabh. R. 3 students have drawn 3 line. Now I have to understand which one is the regression line. So for that, what I will do, I will calculate the distances from the line. 3. Suppose for Saman, first we will take up the line of Saman. Then what I will do, I will calculate the actual y, predicted y, square it up, sum it up, and suppose this is the sum of Saman, S1. Okay. Sum of all the squares. This is A. A is who? Abhishek. Abhishek's. This is the sum of square of the distance for Abhishek. Abhishek's line. And this is for Rishabh. Okay. Sum of square of the distance. So whichever for the student whose line, whose sum will be least, is the regression line. Right. That is the definition of least square principle. That is what least square principle says. This is just a concept. This is not, if you remember this much, it is fine. Okay. How we are drawing the line actually, it tells us कैसे आ रहा है. Yeah, you can see this. Different lines are there. how to know which one is the least square principle, which is according to least square principle, the line that is the regression line for which the sum of this vertical distances square is minimum. Okay. Yeah. So let us now do a problem. It will be more clear. Let us do a problem. Same data set. No need of writing anything. Same data set. Now we will generate a regression equation. Now we will generate a regression equation. Okay, let us solve this problem. Can we generate a regression line? Yes. Abhishek,
Yes, sir.
we can generate, no?
We can try.
Yes. Okay, so this is my y. Just now I given you the formula. This is my y. Yes, and this is my x. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And same data, wahi data, purana, 10 salesperson, right? So no need of writing also. Okay. So let us, very simple regression line, if you understand. Okay. So already I have given you the formulas, right? So how to calculate B? Yes. What is the simple formula? What is the formula of B? R multiplied by Sy by Sx. All these three we have calculated. When we have calculated, please remember the value or see your copy if you have written. What was our R? Yes, 0.759. What was our Sy? You know, all of you know how to calculate standard deviation. Sx, what is our Sx? 9.189. Okay. So this into this in this. So how much we got? This is our B. B is how much? 1.18. B is 1.184. Similarly, we can calculate A. Yes, I have given you the formula. Yes, students.
Yes, sir.
A is y bar minus B into
X bar.
x bar. Yes. So y bar you remember? Same data. So y bar is 45 if you remember. B just now we calculated 1.18 and x bar is how much? 22. Yes. So what is my A? A is 18.9.
18.9.
So I got my A, I got my B. So what is my regression equation? What is my regression equation? Very simple. If you know the formula, it will not take, but the concepts are a bit critical. You should understand. So what is my regression equation? Y hat is equal to 18.94 plus 1.18 x. Okay. Have we got the equation? Yes, students, clear.
Yes.
So we have calculated regression, we have calculated correlation. Next, what we will calculate? Yes. Next, we will calculate. So this is the regression equation. This is our final regression equation. So all of you please write down the final regression equation. Write down the final regression equation. Yeah. Now we have to Now see, I discussed a concept of y and predicted y. Okay. So there is a concept of estimate of y. Now see, y that I gave you the data, that was the y. But what is my y hat? Now I can calculate the y hat. Na? I got the equation. All of you students, please see. For the first term, I can calculate the estimated cells or predicted y. Predicted y kitna hai mera? How I can calculate by this equation? I generated this equation, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
predicted y kitna hai? Put x equals 20 in this equation. We will get the predicted y. Got my point? So what is the predicted cells? 42.63. 42.63. Are you getting this? But actual kitna tha? एक बार देख लेते, let us see. Actual कितना था? First salesperson का कितना था actual? Let us see the actual y. Yeah. Actual y was 30. Actual y was 30. But how much is predicted y? It is 42 point something. Are you getting this? Yeah. So why this difference is coming? There it is 30 and here it is 42. Why this difference is coming? Yes. Why my predicted y is 42 but actual y is 30? Yes. This is called the error. This is called the error in the regression equation. There is a term called error, right? So y minus y hat is called the error, right? Error means unexplained variance. So similarly, we can calculate for all the 10 salesperson, we can calculate all the estimated cells. 1, 2, 3. And we'll see that y and y hat are not equal. There is some difference. Why is that different? We are predicting. Remember I told you rainfall? Meteorological department telling there will be rainfall, but it is a sunny day, right? So there is some difference. And say suppose people are telling, experts are telling that corona will come in the month of, when is the peak going to come? In the October, but it may come in some other month, it may not come also. Okay. So all predictions are not correct. There is some error term. So this is the error, right? Okay, you can see here, you will understand the error or much clearly in this graph. You will understand the error in this. You will understand the error here. So can you tell me these dots are actual y, but this line is the predicted y.
Line.
Yes, you must understand this much. That is fine. And the difference between the two is the error. Got it?
Yes.
So this point, yeah, this point is the actual y. This line is the predicted y, and this difference. So actually what we are doing in the least square principle, are you getting? We were minimizing the error. Hope you remember, na? I explained you the least squares principle. What actually I did? तीनों स्टूडेंट का जिसका एरर सबसे कम होगा, that is the regression lines. Got my point? Okay. So error, you need to understand the error also. Yeah. So next is error. So next topic is error. So I hope we'll be able to finish it up today. So standard error of estimate. What is standard error of estimate? Just like it is standard deviation. Standard deviation means what? The It's the scatteredness of the point from the mean. Here, the scatteredness of the point from the regression line. Got my point? What is the error here? Standard error of estimate measures the scatter or dispersion of the observed values around the line of regression. Regression line से कितना scattered है, right? Scatteredness that is given by the standard error of estimate. How do we measure this? This is the formula. You can use any one. Both the formulas will give you. You can use this one. Better you use this one, right? So what is error? Yes, students, write down the formula. This is also important. Standard error of estimate. Now we can calculate. We know the y hats. We know the y. So you understand now why I told you y and y hat are different. Okay. So y and y hat. You can see this. Are you seeing the equation?
Yes,
Y minus y hat. Ye topi. Don't forget this hat.
okay.
We put in other side head. Okay. So y minus, otherwise it will be y minus y square. Okay. So y minus y hat whole square. Okay. Then sigma divided by n minus 2. Y minus 2 because there are two variables. There are two variables. Yeah. So can we calculate the standard error of estimate in our case? Can we calculate? Very simple. So let us calculate. Is it clear? Standard error of estimate. Is it clear? Concept.
Yes,
It
sir.
measures the scatteredness or dispersion of the observed value from the line of regression. Points kitne scattered hai. Okay. So let us calculate the standard error of estimate with the same equation. With the same equation. Okay, let us do this problem. This is also called the values, how it fit the regression line. Error, right? Determine the standard error of estimate as a measure of how well the values fit the regression line. That means the scatteredness, same thing, right? So can we calculate this? How will we calculate? Simple formula we'll put. So you can write down the steps. You can write down the steps for calculation of standard error of estimate. Okay. Calculate the steps of standard error of estimate. So actual cells, estimated cells. Now deviation. So this already we have calculated. We know actual cells. Our first data, y data, right? XY data, I gave you the data. This we calculated in the previous one. Y hat we calculated na here. Are you getting, students? This one. We calculated all the y hats.
Yes, sir.
We calculated all the y hats, right? Yes. Simply put in the equation the value, you will get the y hat. You will get the y hat. Okay. You will get the y hat. Then see the deviation, see the steps. So these two already we have done. ये तो हमने कर लिया. These are done. Now you have to see the deviation. Deviation of what? Y minus y hat. If this is not visible, I am making it larger. Okay. Y minus y hat. How much is y minus y hat? कितना error है first में? Minus 12.6. Similarly, you can calculate all the errors. All the errors, all the errors, all the errors, all the errors. Clear? Then square this, y minus y hat whole square. 12.63 whole square is how much? 159.55. This way, this way, this way, this way. Square all this and then take the sum. Then take the sum. Okay, students. So this is our formula. This is our formula. Root over sigma y minus y hat whole square divided by n minus 2. So we know this numerator, how much it came? It is
784.
Yes, 784. Put the value. What is our n?
10.
10. Very good, very good. So what is our standard error of estimate?
9.9.
9.90. So we are done with standard error of estimate. Done with standard error of, yeah. Any questions, students, till now? Yes, any question, please? Yes. Please ask any question. If there is any question. No question. Okay. Yeah, you can see the y hat, y minus y hat, right? The pink lines are the y minus y hat. Yes. Okay, we are done, almost done. Yeah. So we are done with regression. These are not in your syllabus. Okay, we are done. So let me stop share. Yeah, any query? So we are done with correlation and regression. Okay. Yes, any query on correlation regression? So we had almost 2 hours session on correlation regression. Yes, Abhishek.
Yes, sir. No question.
Okay, so let us discuss then live project, very important aspect. Otherwise, you need to start working. Okay, so what is a live project? Any idea? Yes, who is having some idea? Yashi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is a live project?
Sir, do we have to take real life examples like the companies?
Where a student work with a company in a real time.
Yes, very good. You have to take data from on real-time basis and do some analysis. This is in a nutshell, right? So have you started with other subjects also?
No,
Hope
sir.
you have started. Not started yet.
Uh,
Other no, in other subjects you have not started. Live project.
Yes, sir, we did. We did in financial management. We did
Yeah.
it organizational behavior.
Yes, yes. I do a little late actually because our subject is different actually. So
No problem, sir.
So still we have almost having 1.5 months. Enough time is there, but we now need to start. We now need to start. Okay. So what we will do is yes, what you have to do is first of all, by today your groups will be finalized. Okay, and I will get it from the CR. Now first what you have to do is the each and every group has to find out a topic, right? Number one, you have to find out a topic. Okay. So topic you can take like this. You can do some, say, you can find the regression equation, right? For some company. Okay, some company in the, say, just like sales and advertisement, you can get some regression equation. Okay. Or you can take, say, three different retailers. Okay. Say Reliance Retail, More, and this Big Bazaar, right? These three, and you find the, what is the difference in the timing, the checkout time. If you remember, we did a problem on the checkout time, right? So you can find out whether there is a difference in the checkout time of the three retail outlets, okay, owned by three different players, right? So you take data from, say, Reliance Retail, you take data from Aditya, this one, Aditya Birla Mode, and you take from uh, Big Bazaar, right? Kishore Biani one. So you choose three different retailers and do the study. Okay. So in this way, you have to choose your topic, but keep in mind, you should get the data. The challenge is the getting the live data. Okay. So you must choose a company where you get the data. Okay. Don't choose a company who is not going to give you a data, right? Because companies are very skeptical about their data. Okay. Although you are students, but still they don't share data, right? So whatever data you can get, you should be having your project like from that live project from that.
सर सिर्फ रिलेशन एंड
Yes.
कोरिलेशन से रिलेटेड करना है.
No. You can do anything. You can do hypothesis testing. You can do correlation. You can do chi-square. You can do ANOVA. So many topics we have covered, right? Okay, I showed you a case study. I think we have done a case study, na, on this smoking a costly, this sort of data if you can get. Okay.
Okay.
My purpose is that try to do some project where you get the data. At the day's end, after 1 month, if you don't get the data, what analysis you will do? You cannot do any analysis. Na? So try to take data from where you will get the data. Okay. Statistical techniques you can apply. You can apply hypothesis testing. Okay. You can apply t-test also. Okay. You can suppose two groups. You compare two groups, right? Private bank and public bank. Private bank and public bank. You can compare the performance in terms of, you can take any financial parameter. Some of you are finance students, right? You compare the private banks in terms of, say, their performance. Now financial performance, you see whether you will take ROI or whatever you are going to, you can choose ROI, you can choose any financial parameter, right? But you compare between private bank and public bank, two groups. So you can apply t-test. If you take three banks, you have to apply ANOVA. Getting my point? Okay.
तो सर यहाँ पे तो मतलब एक तरह का हमारे पास सैंपल होगा, है ना?
सैंपल होगा, हाँ.
पॉपुलेशन का नहीं निकाल सकते हम, पॉपुलेशन का कुछ भी.
पॉपुलेशन अब कैसे? पॉपुलेशन, सी आईसीआईसीआई बैंक, so many branches are there in India. Okay, आपको सैंपल में काम करना है, समझ? I told you in the first class that in 99.9% research is done on sample. 99.9.
तो हम Z टेस्ट तो कर ही नहीं सकते कभी भी.
नहीं, Z नहीं कर सकते हो आप. आपको T करना है, T टेस्ट ही करना है.
एनोवा भी कर सकते हैं.
एनोवा भी कर सकते हो. अगर if you take 3 banks or 4 banks or 4 airlines, suppose you have to compare, you want to measure the customer satisfaction. I showed you this data also, if you remember, while I was discussing which chapter. कहाँ पे मैंने एयरलाइंस को एक्सप्लेन दिया, वो क्या था आप लोगों को, कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन, राइट? यू कैन डू अ स्टडी ऑन कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन ऑफ 4 airlines. You can do ANOVA. ANOVA, yeah, in ANOVA
So-
only I told you this. I have given you the data also. This one, I gave you some, some theoretical data, but you have to collect now the practical data from some airlines. Okay,
तो
you, yes, Samarth.
तो मतलब कोई भी एक कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई करना है
हाँ
विद लाइव डेटा
हाँ हाँ,
बस.
कोई भी एक, अगर चाहो तो आप दो कर सकते हो, बट डोंट मेक इट टू लार्ज because time is not that much, time is not there na, only 1.5 months, not even 1.5 months, 5 weeks is there, 5 weeks are there. Okay, and each group have to present. If it is not possible, I will take extra class. Okay, my extra presentation then I padega. See, please try to understand, students, live project, you have to give me a report, hardbound report. Even if don't college opens, you have to give me a soft copy first, then a hard copy. Okay, then each group has to present their live project. Okay, I will take the presentation from each group. Okay, so, and it has 10 marks straight away 10 marks. Okay, इसमें कोई ये नहीं है, इसको you have to do this. Okay, rest this 10 marks, and 10 marks I will take I will take 2-3 quizzes. 2 quizzes I can take, 2 quiz or assignment or whatever it is. But live project is compulsory, 100%. So you, today the groups will be, from tomorrow you start working. Okay, I am giving you you can choose your own topic. If you want to discuss with me, you can discuss with me. I think you are having my number also, or you can WhatsApp me, or whatever way you can contact me if you want. But from tomorrow you start your work. Okay, because time is less. My concern is the time is very less. Okay, so you have to be a bit fast, because see what are the activities you have to do. Are you getting? First of all, you have to fix a topic. Let me tell you what you have to do. First of all, topic, and you have to tell in between. Class I will be asking you. I am having tutorial now. In tutorial class I'll be asking which group is which status. So first of all, by tomorrow you try to fix a topic. Okay, in your group. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टॉपिक नहीं तो कुछ नहीं है. आपको यहाँ से मुंबई जाना है, सो यू विल गो बाय फ्लाइट, ट्रेन, और यू विल गो बाय बस और वट एवर. यू हैव टू फर्स्ट डिसाइड वेदर यू विल गो बाय कैब और बाय ट्रेन और बाय बस. ओके, पहले आपका टॉपिक होना चाहिए. देन आफ्टर टॉपिक, व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. दैट मीन्स टॉपिक तो हो गया, बट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है? डोंट टेक मोर देन 2-3 ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. ओके, टेक maximum 3 objective, maximum. Okay, right? So topic, then objective, then you have to, yes, if you want to write hypothesis, you can write hypothesis on the basis of your objective. Okay, then write the methodology. What is methodology? You have to first write what is your sample, from where you are going to collect the data, whether you are going to collect primary data or secondary data. Okay, but most of you try for primary data. If you don't get primary data, go for secondary data. Go to Government of India's website, right? Go to Government of India's ministry websites. We will get so much of data, so much. Okay, in our college we are having ProVes database, ProVes. You will CMI ProVes. Okay, so you will get so many company data. So get the data from there. Financial data if you want to do in finance. But if you are doing in marketing, you have to do in survey. Marketing में survey ही होता है. Okay, ज़्यादातर 90%. So you have to write your methodology, primary data, secondary data, or what sort of data you are using. Who are your sample? What sample techniques you are using? Probability or non-probability, right? Hope you remember. I taught you the sampling. So which sampling techniques you are using? What is your sample size? I gave you a formula for sample size, if you remember. Yes? What will be your sample size, right? Then you have to write all the methodology, right? Methodology, whatever comes under methodology. Then you have to collect the data, do the analysis, and then you have to write your findings, conclusions, and recommendations. So huge task is there. Light project is a huge task. That's why a single student cannot do. There are 6 students in a group, so all will contribute. Or if you don't contribute, I will ask questions in your interview, I mean your presentation, so that I can judge. Out of 6 who has worked and who has don't work, I will judge from the presentation. Right? Is this clear method, Abhishek? Although it's a group activity, but if I find somebody is not working, I can deduce his or her marks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So every group try to have a team leader, sort of group leader, who will be guiding others, or not guiding, I mean who will be the, to whom I will contact. Okay. Because I cannot contact all the 60 students, right? So I will contact the team leaders or group leaders. Okay. So that you fix who will be the group leader or who will be the team leader of group. I am living on the group. I don't want to encroach on that. Okay. So this is the process. Well, this is the process. So it's a huge task. Okay. Light project is a compulsory thing you have to do. Okay. So any help from my side in the tutorial class, I can help you. Okay. Not in the lecture class. So in the tutorial class, I will help you. If you want my help in analysis, I can help you anywhere if you require. Okay. But the data collection has to be done by you. Okay. But it's very difficult actually during Corona days, how students will go out. That is also a problem. So if you don't get primary data, go for secondary data. Okay. So that's all about our light project. Okay. So start working from tomorrow itself. So next week, I will get the status of each group in the tutorial class. First job will be to get the status of each group. Okay. Yes.
Sir, what is the deadline?
Deadline is, let me tell you the deadline also, because your classes will be up to, let me open the calendar. Yes. Your classes will be, this is August. Na? Abhi time, there is time also. Your classes will be up to, I think, 24th. उसके बाद class नहीं होंगे. After 24th, your end term will start somewhere.
24 September.
Just tentatively, I am telling you. Okay, so there may be some change also.
So next month. Huh?
Next month, September.
Okay.
Okay. So we will try to wind up by 10th of September. By 10th, I will take the report as well as presentation. Right. By 10th September is our deadline. I am today is how much? What is today is 13th August. So 10th September will be our deadline. Clear, Samarth?
Sir, please make it 17th, sir. Give us time. This is a huge live project.
You are getting 1 month, huh?
17th, sir.
17th will
Means
be
next
too
week.
late.
But in between, we have so many projects
Yes, sir.
of
So
other
many projects.
subjects.
Festivals also.
But 17th will be too late, no? Okay, let us skip 10th. Okay. If some group, or the last chance will be on 17th. Okay. But I will expect all of you to present on 10th. Okay. But 10th, by 10th, there will be 10 groups. Okay. Around 10 groups. So, yeah, 5 groups can present on 10th and the rest 5 on other groups. Or we can have the presentation in tutorial class also. Okay, our tutorial class will end actually. Okay. Tutorial तो बंद हो जाएगा इसके बाद. Okay, tutorial will be ended by next week, I think. We will not have tutorial. Okay, so 10th will be the last date. Okay, we cannot do anything. 10th September deadline.
सर
Okay.
सर सर वो जो भी मतलब प्रोजेक्ट में लिखना है, एक बार आप कहीं डॉक्यूमेंट बना के
I
दे
will,
दोगे?
I will give you a document. I will give you first. You start. I will give you a last year live project. Okay.
हाँ,
Yes,
एग्जांपल
sir.
मिल जाए।
For your
Sample.
sample live project, I will give you
हाँ,
for your. I will give it to Sushant. Okay. Yeah, I am having that. I will give it live project. But maximum hard copy are lying in college actually. So what is about college reopening? Are you coming to the class from 16th or what? What
So
is
college
this?
is getting reopened?
No,
There is no official.
have you got any official communication?
No, ma'am.
No, sir.
नो सर।
Okay,
And it was 16th earlier, but now I think it has been postponed.
postponed.
Now, sir, it is postponed to 30th August.
I think, and then third wave will strike after that. I think by
The
September.
third wave will not.
Yes, sir.
College will open on 30th, and end term will be offline or online.
In term, if college opens, then offline. If college does not open, then online.
So अभी तो second dose भी नहीं लगी.
Ah,
वही तो सर।
I know. I know the. How many of you have got the first dose at least? Please
So
Not
raise,
yet, sir.
please
Yes,
raise
sir.
your hand. Let me see. Acha, Sushant has got. Abhishek, very nice. Varsha. अच्छा अभी first dose भी नहीं लगा बहुत बच्चों को. No, my maximum got first dose. I think yes.
Add line.
No, even not all.
So only 30%.
हाँ, only
सर
30%.
कुछ लोग सर अल्कोहल ले रहे हैं क्योंकि न्यूज़ आप में देखी होगी.
Cheat. They should not take this.
Okay,
They are bad
okay.
students.
Okay, we can discuss later. Okay. So first dose has not been got by even half of the students, right? So I think it is very difficult. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I got it. So just 30% what I feel. Yes. So it's okay. So please stick by the deadline. Okay. Please don't postpone it. Please make it 10th of September. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because see, I have to give the marks and all of very many things are there. Not, it's not that only you submit. No, so many evaluations will be there in the interim.
Sir, why are tutorial classes ending?
Tutorials are for 10 sessions actually. I will let you know by next week. By next week it will be there, but after that it will end. Tutorial ends after 10 sessions. Okay. Just like your packed classes. Packed classes also end. Shivam. Okay. Just like your packed classes. Okay. It ends after 10 session. It's only for 10 session. Similarly, tutorial is also for 10 sessions. So I don't know. I think we are in 8th or 9th. Somewhere 8th or 9th. So another 2 weeks or 1 week, I think. After that, we'll not get this tutorial. Okay, so we are done with today's lecture. Yeah. So any more query on live project? Live project is very important. Now I will put focus on live project, right? Yes. Anyone having any query can ask. We are having still time. Any query on live project? Please ask. Okay, I hope it is clear, right? Okay, so let us wind up for the day. We are, so we are, let us wind up for the day. I think we are through. Okay, so